So guys, here I have my Filmora editor open and I'm going to drag out the video clip onto the timeline. I had to choose something with a lot of movement to show you how to make a blur effect follow a person's face while it's in motion. Now, to enable motion tracking, press Alt-X keyboard shortcut or simply click on this button. Now, this tracking box will show up in the middle of your video clip, so go ahead and drag it to the object you want to track and make sure to align it close to the area you want the blur effect to follow. Now, adjust it as close as possible and make sure your playhead is on the first frame in your video. Now, go ahead and click on the motion track button and basically, Filmora is going to start tracking, making sure that the box follows the face throughout entire video. That's pretty much all for tracking. If you play the video now, you will see that the box we created follows his face almost perfectly. Now go to this panel and under link element, select add a mosaic. So this is what the default mosaic blur looks like, and you can adjust it in different ways here. Now I'm going to use the pixelated blur effect for this tutorial and play the video from the start. Now, as you can see, our pixelated blur effect is almost perfectly following a person's face. Now, Filmora's tracker is not limited just to the blur effects. You can apply all kinds of different things. Now, in this next example, instead of choosing a blur, I'm going to go to the motion tracker drop down here and choose select from your computer as the target. So a transparent PNG image is going to work best here. All you have to do is adjust it around the moving box being tracked. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you create a blur effect or an image follow a moving object in Filmora.